Hey, what's going on, South Gardens family, man? I got y'all on the GoPro today. I'm gonna do the whole video on the GoPro. So today I'm supposed to be taking my pastor fishing. Cause last time, you know, he had some stuff going on, so I'm trying to pick him up today, see if we can go get on some good crappie, get some bass, you know, see if we can just get a cooler full, you know what I mean? So that's what we after today. Hopefully it don't be too long of a video, but hey, just come along for the journey, man. But hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man, and I'll see you when we get to the pond. Alright, y'all, we here. There go my pastor. We back at the same spot, man. Let's see if we can get hooked up on some crappie and some bass and some bluegill. Alright, let's go, y'all. Got my handy dandy cooler. I got an extra bucket in the back just in case we need it. You say what, Pastor?
You got 20 pounds this line?
Mm-mm. Let me see what you got. Oh, you need line in it? Yeah. You can just use one of mine. Yeah, you can just use one of mine, because that's going to take too long to set up. Yeah, you can grab that one. Right there.
Let's go get it.
Yep, I don't need number one anyways. Look at that, y'all. Got that wind blowing a little bit. Ain't blowing too bad though. Structures down right up in here, right up in there. And I'm gonna target that area just like last time. Yep. Got these right here, Guggen baits. These the snacky swimmer crappie series. You say what? Oh yeah, this where y'all put the boat in at? You put the boat in right here? Okay. Yeah, I got these little artificial worms right here. These are supposed to get crappies on them. Get crappie on them. And then I got some other green worms as well. And I got some crickets if you want to use crickets. What you usually use, Pastor, for bait?
Depends on where I'm going and where I want to go at.
Right.
So, basically, brim, bass, common bait.
Right.
Now you leave out of there and go to saltwater. There's another whole dimension there.
Yeah, but I'm saying, what you usually use for brim?
Brim,
Oh, cricket.
cricket.
You ever use worms?
Yeah,
Yeah, I like worms. First cast, y'all. Let's see what we're gonna get. What we got? Oh, we got one already. Oh, first cast. Crappie, baby. Or is that a bass? Oh, bass. Nice bass. Nice bass, y'all. Nice bass, y'all. Ooh, that was a good hit too. Look at that, y'all. That's a nice size right there. I'm thinking I might go ahead and keep them. Got another one. Got him there. Is that one? Is that crappie? That's black crappie right there. Black crappie right there, y'all. Black crappie. Black crappie, y'all. Oh yeah, we getting them, ain't it? Oh, I barely had him. Oh, wait. I don't know how I had him. I don't know how I got him. Oh, my line is going through the jaw. There we go. That's a nice size crappie right there, y'all. See if we can get us another one. Nudge. Trying to get me at least about 5, 6 of them things. Go home with. Maybe even more. Maybe 10, 15. Go back. Same spot. Crappie. That's another crappie. That's another crappie. Uh-oh. There we go. We on the road, baby. You see that? Ooh, that's a nice one right there, ain't it? That's a slab. You got one? Okay. Oh, Pastor got one on. You got one, Pastor? Yes, sir. That's like a white crappie right there. Look at this crappie, y'all. Look at them. Look at him. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice. Hey, get out of here. Go. That's a nice size one you got too. You need help getting them off?
No, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a nice. Get a picture of him. Oh, they nice enough. Nice. Hey, hey, hey. Stop.
Switch on your button.
Go back. Got another one, y'all. Another crappie. Yeah, cat. You see that right there? There you go. Look at that. Nice size crappie. There goes Scott right there. Look at him, y'all. That's number, I want to say 3 or 4. Oh, y'all. We done. We caught quite a few now. I got about 4 crappie. My pastor, he got 1. And I ain't gonna lie, I caught a lot of bass. So I sent him home with 2 of them. You know, and I got, 1 of them. But yeah, y'all, that's what it is, man. Short videos, just showing you what we do, getting back to the land. You know what I mean? And catching us some fish. You go ahead, I'm gonna follow you. No, you go ahead. Yep. Yeah, y'all. So that's what it is, man. Just getting back to the land. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is, y'all. Just getting back to the land. We spent about, you know, about an hour and a half, 2 hours out there, you know, and just bonding. Man, I'm gonna tell you something. Fishing really clear your mind, man. It's a plus, you know, if they biting good that day. You know what I mean? So they was biting good today. You know, we got a couple to go home with, so we always thank the Most High for the increase, you know, because He don't have to give us nothing. So I just thank Him for the increase. But yeah, y'all, you know, that is what it is, man. Learn these skills, man. Learn these survival skills, man. Fishing, hunting, farming, gardening, you know, so we can take our power back, you know, because like I always like to say, if you give somebody the power to feed you, you give them the power to start it. Peace.
Arms over Baghdad, really ain't that bad. Little wiretap, yes, yes. Little dodge in the IRS. Little haven from